So now we're going to box our corners, and to do this, we're going to put our bag upright. We're going to kind of flatten it out here on the inside, and we're going to do one side at a time. So I'm going to flatten it out, and we're going to lay this part down as much as we can, just like this. So we can flatten out this corner part, just like this. So you want to have this part, and then kind of make sure you're pulling it all the way out, and flatten out. There we go. Okay. Now you have to decide what kind of corner you want. How big do you want the corner, or how small do you want the corner? I like my corners to be big, so I go for 6 inches. So I take my ruler and I measure off 6 inches between the point and this point. Just get my points together, and then once I have done that, I take a fabric pencil, so a pencil to mark, and I just run it across to let me know where I'm going to be sewing. Go. And then before I pull up my ruler, I'm going to take one of my pins here, and I'm just going to pin down the sides so it doesn't move when I take it over to the sewing machine. Okay. Okay, and now that I have it pinned down, I'm going to take it to the sewing machine, and I'm going to sew right across this line, and then I'm going to cut off that part, and then my corner will be boxed. And you can do the exact same thing to the other side.